Good afternoon to all. Myself Namida. As we all know that we celebrate International Nurses Day on May 12th on the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale. This year, this is even more special because WHO has declared the theme for nurses, that is, nurses, a voice to lead and a vision for the future healthcare. In 2021, we seek to show how the nursing will look into the future as well as how the profession will transform the next stage of the healthcare. First of all, I would like to wish all the nurses across the globe a very happy Nurses Day. And I welcome everyone to this discussion. Before we start in this discussion, we have with Miss Priska. She is a 4th-year BSc Nursing student and she will be explaining about the history of the nursing. And next, I would like to welcome Miss Monica. She will be explaining about the theme of the International Nurses Day on the year 2021. Next, I would like to welcome Miss Neha Elsa Varghese. She is a 4th-year BSc Nursing student of LFCN. She will be explaining about the nursing in current scenario. Next, I would like to welcome Miss Sri Lakshmi. She is a 4th-year BSc Nursing student of LFCN. She will be explaining about the nursing in current scenario.
Hello everyone, I'm Friska Clement, 4th year BSc Nursing student of LFCN. First of all, happy International Nurses Day for the entire nursing workforce. Their dedication and work, especially during the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, is to be thanked. So now I'm going to talk about the history of the Nurses Day. As nurses, we are supposed to know the real story behind this day. It all began with the International Nurses Council in January 1974. 12th of May was chosen to celebrate as International Nurses Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale and celebrate the achievements of nursing profession as well. Because she is the person who changed and shaped nursing. There were times when nursing profession were considered as dirty work or a job done by uneducated people. But she changed it all. Florence Nightingale was basically a social reformer, statistician, and widely known as the founder of modern nursing, also known as the Lady with the Lamp. During the Crimean War, she served the wounded soldiers day and night with the strict standards of care and hygiene, realizing that poor sanitation and hygiene is the main cause of death rather than their wounds. Her night rounds to look after the soldiers with a lamp given her the name the Lady with the Lamp, which is considered as a symbol of hope and mercy in desperate times. And other than this, she wrote several books and started several nursing schools and institutions, and because of all that, she is considered as founder of modern nursing. And her birth anniversary is now we are celebrating as Nurses Day. So hope you guys now know the proper history of the Nurses Day. Once again, thanks to every nurse for all you do every day in current pandemic scenario, and happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Monica, 4th year BSc Nursing student of LFCN. First of all, wishing all a happy Nurses Day. On May 3rd, countries around the world come together to celebrate International Nurses Day. The theme for this year is Nurses, a voice to lead. Nurses are playing a crucial role in health promotion, disease prevention, treatment and care. They are often the first and sometimes the only health professional that people see, and the quality of their initial assessment, care and treatment is vital. They are also part of the local community, sharing its culture, strengths and vulnerabilities, and can shape and deliver effective interventions to meet the needs of patients, families and communities. The International Nurses Day, the theme reflects on the impact of COVID-19 on the health system and the nursing profession and how these might be affecting the future. Nurses, as the largest healthcare profession, must play an integral part in planning the future of healthcare. Thank you once again, wishing a happy Nurses Day.
Hi everyone. Myself, Sneha Elsa Varghese, 4th year BSc Nursing student of LFC. First of all, happy Nurses Day to all the nursing warriors in the world. Nurses on the front line are responsible for providing holistic care to all types of patients. The biggest challenge we face today is to cure and care for people affected with COVID-19. The role of nurse involves triaging patients, detecting suspected cases with infections, isolating, dealing with emergencies, playing critical roles, and many more. However, when they respond to a crisis such as COVID-19, they face problems that hinder them from caring for the infected patients. One of the major problems faced by our healthcare workers is inadequate quarantine facilities. Also, inadequate support services such as food and other facilities while on duty. After long, tiring shifts of work, nurses are not even receiving enough facilities for resting, which is indeed a pathetic situation. As we all know, in the second wave of COVID-19, the mortality and morbidity rate is rapidly increasing. Nurses are witnessing people who are struggling between life and death. Sometimes they have more tasks to satisfy the isolated patients and their families too. The physical exhaustion and mental stress because of working in an unpredictable situation. Being separated from loved ones, the feeling of isolation, the feeling of helplessness, the feeling of hopelessness, and lack of counseling in distress is unexplainable. All this can eventually lead to a post-traumatic stress disorder. Psychological well-being and management of stress levels are as important as physical health. The first thing community members can do to support nurses is to practice SMS, that is, sanitize, double masking, and social distancing. So stay home, stay safe, and thank you.
A very good morning to all. As a nurse, we have the opportunity to heal the heart, mind, soul, and the body of a patient, their family, and ourselves. They may not remember your name, but they will not forget the way you made them feel. The great verse by Maya Angelou is a true inspirational quote. Nursing is always a profession with a lot of challenges to overcome. As a nurse, we all are trying to enlighten the world with the fire of hope in this time of despair. I wish all the nurses Happy Nurses Day, and I sincerely thank each and every nurse who are fighting against the coronavirus to bring the world back to normal. Myself, Sri Lakshmi Dilip, 4th year BSc Nursing student of Little Flower College of Nursing. I hope all are healthy. Kindly do sanitize your hands frequently, keep social distance, and always wear a mask while outside. Corona, the most commonly used word nowadays. We know that it is one of the most dangerous viruses which has caused the death of millions of people worldwide. The developed medical sector is able to control the pandemic, but we still don't have enough medical professionals to handle the situation. Nowadays, the hospitals are facing a lot of problems among that. The lack of experienced nurses and the clinical staff are one of the main problems. Developed countries like UK, America, Australia, and many more nations are near the professional nurses, and they are recruiting nurses from different parts of the world, offering good salaries and additional benefits, especially from our country, India. The UK Prime Minister, Mr. Boris Johnson, appreciated the nurses from India for helping them during the pandemic. The point is that the experienced nurses and the medical professionals are going to abroad. Therefore, Indian hospitals face lack of medical professionals, including nurses, which is also a key factor towards the uncontrolled death of corona patients in our country. Anybody remember our older days without mask, social distance, and sanitizer? I think I forgot everything the normal life. Yes, Mr. Boris Johnson appreciated the nurses from India for helping them during the pandemic. The point is that the experienced nurses and the medical professionals are going to abroad. Therefore, Indian hospitals face lack of medical professionals, including nurses, which is also a key factor towards the uncontrolled death of corona patients in our country. Anybody remember our older days without mask, social distance, and sanitizer? I think I forgot everything the normal life. Yes, the world changed. Everything happened quickly. No one expected the situation. Most countries didn't get the time to prepare themselves against the COVID-19 because of its high transmission rate. Hospitals are struggling to provide sufficient PPE to all the people taking care of patients. As we all know, the coronavirus is airborne. The only way to prevent is spreading by the wearing of personal protective equipment like mask, face shield in the public places, especially in the hospital. As I have mentioned earlier, most hospitals are unable to provide their staff members with the sufficient PPE that will be leading to the uncontrolled spread of infection. Apart from that, the health professionals are truly scared to work in hospital without PPE. We can't blame them because nobody else will be the responsible for their safety as well as the safety for their families. They are not worried about themselves, but they are worried about their father, mother, husband, and children. If they have a special accommodation and transportation facility, most of them might be ready to work in isolation ward. Unfortunately, government as well as the hospital are not providing the isolated accommodation facility for the healthcare workers, and they have forced them to stay at their own house. This is another crisis faced by the nurses, doctors, and all the healthcare workers all around the world. Once again, I wish Happy Nurses Day to all the nurses all around the world. Thank you.
So today we had discussed about the theme, the history, and the nursing in the current scenario and the problems of the nurses. Hope you all understood. And once again, I would like to wish all the nurses across the globe a very happy Nurses Day, and thank you.
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
May 12th, International Nurses Day, mainly celebrated to commemorate the contributions of nurses worldwide. Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. In 2021, we mainly concentrate on the challenges and innovations of nursing and its influence on future healthcare. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, I take this opportunity mainly to acknowledge, appreciate and thank all the good work of nurses worldwide. Happy Nurses Day. Be a committed, competent and brave nurse always. Thank you.
Happy Nurses Day.
I wish you all a very happy Nurses Day. A big salute to all the frontline corona warriors.
A very happy Nurses Day to all the nurses all around the world. Hope you all be like Florence Nightingale, the lady with the lamp, to lead the light of health into the future. Thank you.
Yes, we nurses are effective healthcare team members always. Much more during this pandemic COVID-19. Let us dedicate our life, unite our hearts and hands to this noble and awesome task. Happy Nurses Day 2021.
Your smile is enough to fight the darkness of despair and cure all diseases. Here, I wish a very happy Nurses Day 2021 to all the nurses in this entire world, especially the warriors, those who fight against this pandemic situation. Thank you.
All, I take this opportunity to describe a person who is strong enough to tolerate everything and soft enough to understand everyone. Us. It's a nurse. I wish all the nurses in the world a very happy Nurses Day, as it's a special day for us. I express my gratitude to all the nurses in the world for their work and dedication during this coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.
Hi everyone. Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future health care. This is the theme of Nurses Day 2021. It will focus on the changes to and innovations in nursing and how this will ultimately shape the future of nursing care. We all know nurses are the frontline soldiers in the battle of COVID pandemic situation. Be proud as a nurse. Happy Nurses Day.
I feel really proud to be called as a nurse. Today, World Nurses Day. I wish all the nurses who are in and out of their world, who are there near to the patient bedside, giving care to the entire mankind. As we are into a great profession, doing the whole service to the mankind, and literally praying to God that we nurses could able to recover the whole world from this pandemic. And as all nurses say, we are doing a noble profession and it is a noble one. I wish all the nurses to the entire world a very happy Nurses Day.
Hands that turn caring into action, touch that turn compassion into comfort, smile that turn love into healing. Happy Nurses Day to all of you.
I wish all the nurses who are serving all over the world a very happy Nurses Day.
Nurses carry the spirit of humanity. Wishing you all, the beautiful souls, a happy Nurses Day.
Nurses, a voice to lead, a vision for future healthcare. I wish you all a happy Nurses Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I wish all the nurses all over the world a happy Nurses Day, and also the theme of 2021, Nurses, a voice to lead, which gives voices and ideas, innovations for new improvements in the new nursing practice. And I also take this opportunity to thank each and every nurse who gave their work, energy, and time in the crucial fight of COVID-19. Thank you.
Nursing is a part of healing ministry of Jesus Christ. Let us hear the voice of God and to become voice of the voiceless. It's my prayer, wishes on Nurses Day.
Care of one, that is love. Care for 100, that is what nursing is. I wish all of you a happy Nurses Day.